All right, check us out, YouTube. We are officially on the barge. Got here first thing this morning. It was a mess. All we had to work with was mud. So we piled enough of it up there and put the crane mast down, put them ramps on there, and walked this crane on here. We got it on. This barge is sitting on the bottom. All that damn mud. There's the ramps we used. We didn't even cut the ramp down. We just got it level a little bit there and sent it. There it is. We got to demo that old bridge out, the rest of it. Got a 50,000 pound hydraulic cutter. Guys, they'll get up there and torch them bolts off them old girders, and I'll pick them up in sections with that, set up on the bank. Then we're gonna come in there, they'll have we're gonna cut the caps in two with wire, with a cable cutter type setup, get them sawed in too, and then we'll on the bottom down there got a hydraulic cutter. I hooked it to the crane. I'll get it wrapped. That thing automatically clamps in there, and they turn the pump on, and it'll cut through that rebar and concrete, and all. It's badass. Get all this mess out of the way. We got to drive the rest of that bent. You can see the rebar sticking out of it. We'll drive four more piling or caissons across there. They'll do another cap. The rest of the cap. There's a bridge we got built. The one half of the bridge. Traffic's already using it already. Now. They got in a big hurry on there, had to set them girders, and we'll pull that cap bottom. Guys come up there and had to fish that down and get it out from under the track holding on. As soon as we get them caissons drove in the ground, them piers, they'll build another cap. We got girders set up on the hill up there they'll bring to us. They'll splice them and we'll set them. Then they'll work on the deck. There's the hammer. I got the hammer waiting to get on here. A lot to build in these bridges. And this is just a small bridge. Look at the little bitty bridge here. Anyway, we'll get up in this crane here and fire up the heater. Look cool out here. Old 999. Thing here been abused on this job. All right. Turn on my little old heater there, and catch me a little old nap. That'll wake me up when they get back with that cable to tie this crane down. I will talk to y'all later.